As the sun start shine and the cock start crow, me a brief we go sit down on the fence next door. On the ends, me no trouble miss chain, me no touch past Joe, but them always around me after them fence, you know. Chain, where me pants there? I want to run them, boy. Me just paint the fence. As the sun start shine and the cock start crow, me a brief we go sit down on the fence next door. On the ends, me no trouble miss chain, me no touch past Joe, but them always around me after them fence, you know.
Fashion and bling. Fashion. Yo, Bubba, what you have a sell, you know? Yes, my youth, are you lucky, dude? You want it? You want it? Yes, my youth. You can make you get it, you know, my youth. Nobody else now forget it, you know. Me have the Santa out here, me I sell cheap, my. Me no want it, me just want to see what you sell. Choke raw stuff, alright, man. You know, see thing for me head, man.
Vaccine, pierce and buy vaccine. This cure AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea, all of them illness that you know.
What go on, Bubba? What that you sell now?
What? Me glad you asked, Frass. Man like you will take up your vaccine, them, you know. Me have all different flavors. Listen, look here, me have vaccine for AIDS, vaccine for gonorrhea, vaccine for obia, vaccine for love, vaccine for... Me have all type of different vaccine. Which one you want? That business me I do, you know.
So how you get so much?
You want fee, no, Fraff? After me go get my vaccine, you know. The people them ask me for wait in our room when enough box there. So me just take up 5 of them.
So what you do with the rest of the box then?
Fraff, told me if people are lying I forget them. Me carry the other 4 go in our country, make me granny go and sell them for me. Me must get a change by summer. Me I go around the road and make a feel, cause you alright. You know I'm a vaccine. Jane! Why blue pants when me beg you wash out for me? He dey on the line, maestro. You pick me up proper this time.
We go to a different type of story now. Over 140 dogs are now in Canada after they were flown there from Jamaica. Queen Anderson.
That fool, ain't that man, for? I mean, never seen no dog in the visa line yet.
Reports.
Rough.
Oh, where that dog they come from now?
Rough.
Bowie.
Rough. Him can't stay there. You know how much dog get flight the other day. Me want my visa. Whether to US or Canada. A Jamaican poodle, no one. Well, see me. Rough.
Him just have to keep this up for a couple more days. Somebody bound to pick him up. Hey boy, come off my fence!